In today's video, we're going to be going over how you can make money online off of TikTok. As we know, TikTok is one of the best platforms out here in social media today. Many people are making money off of TikTok, and more people are posting on TikTok. And the best thing about it is that TikTok's algorithm is absolutely insane. You can literally post your first post and get 20,000 views if your post is 20,000 views worthy. But if it's just a normal post, TikTok will still boost your post like crazy. Typically, the average of first posters on TikTok is about 1,000 views. And each of my TikTok accounts that I have created, I have gotten only a minimum of 800 views on every single first post that I have done. So guys, if you just stay consistent in posting on your TikTok profile, this method I'm about to show you will absolutely work, and you can make up to $1,000 a day just by copy and pasting on TikTok. If you guys are new to the channel, this is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy. If you subscribe to the Patreon, we have all types of making money niches on the Patreon. Full ebooks, step-by-step tutorials on how to start your business and how to market on social media over on the Patreon, and the link in the description. And if you still have further questions, feel free to reach out to me for a one-on-one conversation, and the Calendly link in the description. You can book a coaching call with me for $10 for a 10 to 30 minute conversation. But as you can see from the title, we're going to be going over how you can make some money off of TikTok by just simply copying and pasting, doing almost no work at all, and making some passive income. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So guys, TikTok is one of the more dominant platforms out, and the greatest thing about TikTok is, like I said, the algorithm is crazy, so it's pretty much a free ad platform. So to make this method successful, what you want to do is you want to pull up your phone and go to snaptik.com, which is a TikTok copy and paste downloader. I absolutely love this website because this website allows you to copy and paste TikTok posts from any profile you want, and it absolutely takes away all watermarks. When you're trying to repost and when you're trying to get views and gain attention and do as less work as possible, this is the absolute easiest way to do it. Take from other people's profile, post it onto your TikTok, and all you're gonna do is put your affiliate link up under your post and in your profile biography. Now you may ask, isn't this illegal? Isn't this wrong? Isn't this a copyright? No guys, this is not a copyright. This is TikTok, an absolutely free marketing platform. Everybody is doing this method. A lot of the posts that you see, the reason that you keep seeing the same post is because many people are just taking from other people's profiles and putting their little watermark up under the post, making it seem like it is theirs. And so if they can do it, you can absolutely do this too. All you have to do is use Snaptik and get you a TikTok post. So in any business model, we want to pick ourselves a niche, and we want to figure out the product that we want to sell. Now guys, this product doesn't have to be a product that you want to sell because that's what you're known for. With this method, you can sell any product that you have no knowledge about whatsoever, and I'm going to show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is to find a trending topic, find a trending product, and once you find this product, this is what you're gonna want to promote. So guys, as we are in a recession and as the economy is very down right now and all the prices are going skyrocket high, a lot of people is wanting to make money online. They want to learn how to make money online, and not just learn, but they need the tools to do so. So just like students that are sitting in a college classroom, people that haven't went to college, or even if you have went to college, you still need to learn how to make money because colleges and high schools aren't teaching you the financial tools you need to make money. So with this going on in today's society, this is good for us because now instead of digging for the gold, we can sell the shovels. What I mean by this is that we're going to sell a digital product. We're gonna sell courses and classes of how to make money online, and even some tools that businesses might need, or self-entrepreneurs, self-employed, and owner-operators might need so that they can run their business successful. This method is guaranteed gonna make you money because, like I said, everything is going skyrocket high right now, and jobs are laying off, so more and more people are gonna have to be subject to work from home, and more people are getting lazy, especially the young folks, and they want to work from home, not doing any physical labor, and they want to make money. So this is the perfect opportunity for us to get in here and sell some courses and sell the tools that entrepreneurs might need to make themselves successful. So what you want to do is, after you go to snaptik.com and get your TikTok post, we are in the motivational niche, we are in the making money niche. So most people that want to make money, the first step to making money is getting motivated to make money. So everybody's on TikTok. The more you look at things on TikTok, the more it's gonna pop up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to TikTok, we're gonna find us some motivational, we're gonna find us some money talk, and we're gonna find us some inspirational posts. So the viewers that we're gonna attract are looking at these inspirational posts because they're inspired to make money themselves, or either the back of their brain wants to make money but they just haven't physically got up and taken the steps to do so. So by you gaining this traction of audience of people wanting to make money, the more people that you attract, the more people that's gonna come in and look at your profile. The more your profile is professional, people are gonna look at your bio, people are gonna look at your homepage, and they're gonna click in your bio, and you should have your affiliate link in your bio. Now guys, this method is absolutely free because we're getting free ads from posting on TikTok. And what you want to do is you want to go over to ClickBank, you want to get you a digital product, you want to get you a course of some type, or even some type of business tool such as an email mailing list finder or something of that sort. Once you have these tools, what you want to do is you want to put those in your biography, you want to put that in your comments, you want to put that link in your caption on your post, and just direct people to click on your captions and to click in the link in your biography. Once people click on this link, they will have the option to either buy what you're trying to sell, or you can even make money just by the number of clicks. Some websites pay up to 50 cents per click. So this means if you get even 5 clicks a day, you can make $2 a day, which is $60 a month, completely passive income. Now just imagine the number of posts that you're going to have on your page, and as many times as you do this, the more passive income that you can make. But guys, ClickBank has many of options, many of offers that you can make up to $200 per sale. And as you can see here, there's even one that you can make $800 for just a single sale. ClickBank also has recurring purchases options, meaning whoever buys a product that needs to be bought monthly, you will get paid a monthly cut out of their purchase. So when you're searching for these links, guys, you want to make sure that there is a recurring purchase so that you can make even more passive income. And overall, you just want to stay consistent, post 3 times a day on your TikTok page, make it as eye appealing as possible, and you can start making money by just simply copy and pasting other people's TikTok posts and putting a link in your biography. So by doing this, guys, at the end of the month, like I said, if you even only get 5 clicks a day, you can still make up to $60 to $100 a month completely passively. But the key to this is you want to get the big boy links. You want to get those offers that pay $100 per conversion, $50 per conversion. So with just 2 buys a day, guys, depending on the ads that you post, if you want to post TikTok ads, or if you just have a lot of traffic from organic marketing on your TikTok page, you could be making $200 to even $1,000 a day just by posting affiliate links in your biography. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to copy and paste and make money just by using TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up so this video will get pushed out to many others, so many others will learn how to make money the easy way, because this is Black Investors Group and that's all we do over here. We post daily, so stay tuned for tomorrow. If you haven't already done so yet, man, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notified for tomorrow. I'm KINGLATTA, this is Black Investors Group, and we out. Woo!
You talking money.